Cheers mates, MALOSSI MHR. Ultimate tip for this cylinder. 221 cubic. It has too high timings for rotary. It has too low power for reed valve. Recommendations from piston producers. 1 ring is just for pure race. Standard usage is 2 rings. It is a cylinder which is not needed at all. When it comes to reed valve tuning, you buy Quattrini and the new VMC 245 Explorer because it's a brilliant know-how. MHR for reed valve, not needed at all. It is a kit. The market, the scene does not need it all. So, the ultimate tip for the MHR MALOSSI is ignore it, don't buy it. It is a pure waste of money. It's an honest tip. I love MALOSSI. MALOSSI Sport is the best plug-and-play kit, but the MHR, not me at all. Cheers. See ya. Oh, and don't use this stupid gasket here. It is scam. You see here? It does not prevent any oil sucking at all. It is just, yeah. Missing technical knowledge and experience and common sense. Whatever. See ya.